Okay, today I'm going to show you a retractile testis. It's a small baby. बच्चे की उम्र क्या है? 6 साल का ना? So 6 years old baby, and right testis moves up when I push it with the probe. Now you can show the screen, please. So that is all scrotum. This is left testis. That's right one. I've already checked both the testes. They are normal on ultrasound. So echo texture is good. And now I'm looking at it sagittally, and I'm going to push it slightly. So I'm pushing it, keep looking. See, it moves. Now it disappeared. Actually, now I'm going up in the inguinal canal. So right now it is in the inguinal canal. That's right testis, retractile testis. Okay, now I'm going to try to push it back in the scrotum. So I'm pushing it. See, it moves with the scrotum. Now I'm going back. This is scrotum. Here it again lies close to the left side. Okay, look at it again. I'm going to push it. There it goes. Okay, pushing. I'm not pushing a lot of pressure, just slight pressure. And here it again enters the inguinal canal. So this is how a retractile testis is. That's it. Thank you.